You're evil. Evil, evil. Oh!
What? 가자.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
이거.彻底疯狂。
Go at the door, please. Please. Look how tiny the thing is. David, please.
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
Excuse me?
Hit me. If I wouldn't have moved, she would have hit me.
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Reggie, don't eat him.
Para que empieces a fregar conmigo, Rosty. Todo el pinche de ayer me tuviste cagando.
Discovered what an ice cube is.
That sounds like a broken Ferrari struggling up the hill, just because you went on vacation without her.
said hi.
Hello. Ow! No!
Mimi?
它有主人的。
Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
你怎么知道它 name 是 Kitty 啊？
Is he asking for boundary blocks?
This.
Absolutely not. Absolutely.
Осторожно. Ну, давай. You stop. Ian, stop. Whoa! You need to relax. Listen to the music. Listen.
Hi, everybody. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Private.
Little black, hang on. Oh!
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Okay. She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
Me.
Just woke up from a nap. Look at you.
¿Comiste? No.
Do you have my back? Come on. Let's go. I know, they're gonna fight us. Come on.
Somebody, anybody, everybody scream!
Doesn't need a water fountain. He became one.
I 就像蓝天白云，晴空万里，突然暴风雨。
Back. Give it back to me, please. Right now. Please hand it over.
Ay, qué bonito.
A drink from the tap and doing his licky thing. He's done this ever since he was a kitten.
Are you hissing at the snow?
They are definitely holding a secret meeting to plot a total takeover against their humans.
Oh no!
What the fuck? Metal sound?
Mama. Si Tata.
Mama.
Đi ôm voi ngủ đây anh em ạ. Ngay trên này. Không bao giờ nó quấn quýt trên này đâu, bây giờ tự nhiên nó cứ thế này.
This coffee is really good.
Who is that?
Yeah.
I believe I have clutch or gearbox issues. I can't understand it at all, because usually you think the
You know, sometimes I don't like you guys.
Be careful, babe.
Petunia.
This, but like she doesn't really have a sense of humor, you know what I mean? Like she's not like funny, she's not that silly.
Now your meow is going to change. Food?
Enough to save a kitten found on the side of the road.
Someone just... Oh no, it's a whole... Oh my gosh! I can't take it.
Тише, подожди. Давай.
Sometimes we don't realize how massive responsibility is resting on our kitty's tiny shoulders.
You are the only thing holding together my mental health.
House. Do you know where I am?
ไม่เกี่ยวแล้วอะตัวดิ
Behavior definitely wasn't in the manual, because cat clearly has its own definition.
Oh my god.
Just needs a little boost. This fluffy potato is trying its best, and that's what counts.
No. I'm in a danger zone. Don't bite the baby.
You think you gonna not get a bath?
Estoy loco. Estoy loco.
Go. Fucking go. You wanted to go out, now go. Yeah, I did.
Ma'am, what's going on? What's going on? Oh, you're stretching? Are we stretching? Okay. Oh, okay. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
Useless wastrel father sitting around with a bunch of shiftless.
Oh my
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Me the day I make up.
Oh, that's my cat. I can't believe it.
Oh. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
No. No.
Are you happy, Kermit?
This cat remembers every single moment, especially
Luna. Luna. Luna.
闪掉！
傻哥，傻哥，
闪掉！闪掉！
No. No.
Oh, hello.
这个会变成丧尸来追我们呀？
变异啊，没法子变成个大美女。
Our queen. You're making the water brown already.
哎呀，又转弯走了，又跑了。哎呀！
Красавчик.
I'll give you my address.
The German Shepherd is trying to figure out what to make of this teeny kitten. I guess it is thinking if it wants it to be a friend.
Those were her hands.
Yes.
No, I.
Этот журчит.
His name is John C.
In baths? Why not? Fine. You are completely fine. Yes.
Is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you! You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Stop! Stop!
He came with high hopes. He should have been given some food from the plate.
Ooh.
Yeah, look at her.
Kitty likes it.
Presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
Oh 哎，又撂倒！
哎呀哎呀，疯狂压制小菊儿。
小菊儿这两天是不是都没吃好？
Anybody like a cat? Anybody? Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat? Please.
我今天是傻瓜。
Consultants were able to get some surveillance video from the neighborhood.
Stop hunting me. Why?
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my!
糯米，过来，过来，糯米。
他没尿那个笼子里啊？哎呦我操，那吃翻了呢咋还？
Look.
Hey,
look at this. Somebody.
You're too slow.
Друзья, у меня растет футболист, и я этому не рада. Orange twins. The two twin girls and their dad.
Enough pressure out for the gas pedal. The gas pedal got a lot of dirt.
Stop, Jerry. That is so. Look at him. Oh my god.
Why do birds
suddenly